So friends, you can see here the beehive is on the top of the water tank, and there are many beehives here. So I'll be showing you. Hi friends, good morning to you all and welcome back to my another vlog video. So presently you are seeing in my video. So he's Sir Chobe, and he's Sir Prolat is with me, and today we are going to visit one of our, he's like a friend only, but he's now a senior person, and we are going to his house to see a beehive there, and beehive is on the water tank. So let's start walking. So this is the natural scenery of Raksamgre area. This is the way to his house, and you can see the flower plants here on both sides of the road, and his house is surrounded with big trees with pepper plants also available here. See the organic plantation coffee. This is coffee. This is jackfruit. So here is the beehive, and this is the lychee tree. This is the lychee tree, and nearby the lychee tree there is one water tank, and the beehives are just on the water tank. You can see here it is not so very clear from this angle, so you can see here. So there are many beehives. Water tank is surrounded with trees and other natural plants. So I think it is a very beautiful place for them to live here. So this is the place. So here, from here, it is a little bit visible. You can see here. This is the house of a senior person, one of our friends. So this is his house, you can see, and to the front of me here is the beehive. Here you will see. Let me show from the another angle. So here is the beehive. So you can see here it is very clear. It will be clear. So this is the beehive. So it is surrounded with natural plants, and as it is surrounded with natural plants, it has turned out to be the very suitable place for the beehive to be here on the just on the water tank. So friends, I have reached to the house of Sir Baneswar Marak, the senior citizen, and now I am going to ask a few questions regarding the beehives. And this is the house of Sir Baneswar Marak. So I am very happy to meet him. Hi sir, good morning.
Yeah, good morning.
How are you?
Okay.
You're fine, no?
Yeah, welcome.
I have seen the beehive in your, it is on the top of the water tank. So how long it has been there?
It was complete. The construction of the water tank was in the year 2013, and beehives appearing since 2014.
2014.
Yeah.
So friends, since the year 2014, the beehive has been residing on the top of the hives and the senior citizen, and I just came to meet him, which that beehives also attracted me, and he is well known to me also, very well known person of Raksamgre village. He is benefiting from the honey hive, getting honey out of that. So are you earning, sir, from this hive?
Yeah. It is near about 80 liter per year.
Per year he gets 80 liters, so that's a lot of benefit you are getting from the hive.
Last year it was 120 liters.
120 years
Liters.
last year increase, no?
But it is divided equally. Those who collected the hive. Yeah. And myself got 60 liters.
Oh, you got 60 liters
Yeah,
this year.
This year,
Last year.
last year.
Okay.
This year it is time to cut, but due to bad weather, it is not possible till now.